Alright, here we go. Listen up. So, to take the derivative of this. So, we have an exponent, so we're going to use the power rule. The 3 we're going to bring down to the bottom. So, y prime is equal to 3x squared over 3 minus the derivative of x is just 1. 3's to cancel out. 3x squared minus 1. Okay, number 8. Find the horizontal tangent. Plus x plus 2. Alright. So we gotta take the derivative. So y prime is equal to 3x squared. Make sure you guys don't just write equal, because it's not equal. Right? You're doing something completely different. So it's y prime is equal to this. Minus 8x plus 1. Any questions there? Okay, so that's the derivative. What does the derivative tell you again? The slope of a line. So if you're looking for a horizontal tangent, what's the slope of a horizontal tangent? 0. Okay, so you set this equal to 0. You solve for x. Is this factorable?
No. Yes. Wait.
Oh no, is it?
No.
No. Alright, if it's not factorable, then how can you solve for x here? Quadratic formula. Alright, so hopefully you guys have the quadratic formula memorized.
Negative b squared plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
Okay, that sounds horrible. So it's
Negative b
x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared.
We got one time to come up with this sort of stuff. Like wild people.
Alright, there's too much talking in the back. I need you guys to listen up. Okay, so b in this case is what?
Negative a.
Negative 8. So we have negative 8 plus or minus the square root of b squared. Negative 8 squared minus 4 times a is times c. 1 all over 2 times 3. So 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 12 over 6. So 8 plus or minus the square root of 52 over 6. Just use your calculator here. So square root of 52 is what decimal? Should be 7 point. What is it? 2? 7.2 over 6. Then you do 6 plus 7.2 over 6, and then 6 minus 7.2 over 6. So your two answers are what? 13.2
Over 6.
over 6, okay. Your other answer is
1.2.
0.8. No, because I caught my own mistake. Alright, 13.2 divided by 6 is...
Isn't it equal
that's what someone said. 50.2. I didn't make the mistake, someone else told me that. 8 minus 7.2 is 0.08. Okay, so what's this? Come on, people.
2.5.
2.53. And this one? 0.133. There's your answer. Okay, so you just use the quadratic formula. Any questions there? Okay, number 10 is the same thing, but it should be factorable. Okay, so your answer is going to be 0 and 1. I'm not going to do that one. 12 and 13.
0 or 1?
Yeah, for number 10.
Okay.
For number 12. Okay, for number 12. Sir. Alright, so we're still doing the same thing. We're going to find the horizontal tangent. So we're going to take the derivative first. What's the derivative of x to the 4th? Derivative of 7x cubed.
21.
Derivative of 2x squared. Derivative of 15. 0. Any questions there? Okay. Set it equal to 0. Factor out an x. Is that factorable?
No.
I sincerely doubt it.
Okay, so this right here is not factorable. So you just plug into the quadratic formula again. So it's the same thing as what we did over there. So your answers are 0, right? Because don't forget about this one right there. 0.198 and 5.052. Alright, any questions there? So you use the quadratic formula to do that. Okay, 13. Let y equal that, find derivative of that. Okay, so 13 we're going to be taking the derivative of that using the product rule. Alright, 13, we got y equals x plus 1, x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1. Alright, so product rule. Let's say this is u, and that's b. The derivative is x plus 1 times the derivative of v, so 2x, plus the derivative of u, which is just 1 times v. So you have 2x squared plus 2x
2x squared. Brownie point.
plus x squared plus 1. They give you 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. If you multiply that out first, if you FOIL that, you'll get some long expression. So if you FOIL that, you should get y equals x cubed over 3 plus,
Oh, 3.
right? No.
That's the second brownie point.
X cubed, yeah, plus x squared plus x. Plus what? Okay, so if you were to FOIL that, you get this. Yeah, and then you take the derivative, you get the same thing.
What? 4?